Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Instagram business page. First, open your Instagram app and navigate to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, choose Account Type and Tools, and then switch to Professional Account. Follow the prompts to select your business category and add your contact details. Once your business account is set up, it's time to optimize your profile. Your bio should clearly state what your business offers and include relevant keywords for discoverability. Add a strong call to action, like Shop Now or Book Here, to guide visitors. Ensure your profile picture is a high-quality logo or a professional headshot. A strong content strategy is crucial for growth. Plan a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and informed. Experiment with different content formats, such as captivating reels, informative stories, and eye-catching static posts. Remember to actively engage with your followers by responding to comments and direct messages to build a community. To truly grow your business page, regularly monitor your Instagram insights. This data provides valuable information on your audience demographics and content performance, helping you refine your strategy. Consider using targeted advertisements to expand your reach and connect with potential customers who are most likely to be interested in your offerings. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep experimenting and adapting for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.